Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is elevator. This is the part 2, unit number 4, that is the electric drives and elevator. So in this video we see the elevator. So this is the part 2. In the last video we see the introduction of elevator, types and function of elevator, also the ideal requirements of the elevator, factors for selection of elevator, size and shape of elevator, speed of elevator. Then this is also see in the last lecture. This is also, and now we see the installation. So here see the installation. First, types of installation and speed for car. First is residential building. Speed for car is 100 to 150. Then second is hotels and apartment houses up to 5 floor. B is 6 to 10 floor. For up to 5 floor, speed is 100 to 200, and B 6 to 10 floor, speed is 200 to 350. Then third is commercial buildings. A is up to 5 floor, speed is 100 to 200. B is 6 to 10 floor, speed is 200 to 300. Fourth is official buildings. A is up to 5 floor, speed is 250 to 450. B is 6 to 10 floor, speed is 400 to 800. So it is all about the installation. Then next is the elevator machines. So here see the elevators machines that are used in elevator. So the assembly of motor, drum or traction pulley, brake and motor drum drive. So this is the picture of elevator machines. Here see the next, the types of elevator machines. According to the transmitting the power to the car rope, there are two types. A, drum type, and it is divided into three types. First is over mounted, second is under mounted, and B is traction type. Means A is divided into two types, over mounted and under mounted, and B is traction type. Means types of elevator machines are two types. First is drum type and second is traction type, and drum type is also categorized into two types. First is over mounted and second is under mounted. So now here we see the drum type elevator machine. It mainly consists of a drum which is in the form of a spool. On the drum, the ends of ropes are attached when drum rotate along with the motor. Rope wound or unwound around the drum. Depending upon the direction of motor, there are two types: over-mounted machines and under-mounted machines. So here see, over-mounted machines means what? The over-mounted machines provided direct power transmission, that is, no pulleys are required between drum and car. Means in this direct power transmission we use, and no pulleys are required between drum and car. So the location of drum is such that one face is over the center of the car and the other face is over the counterbalance. Here see the picture. First is drum, then elevator car, and then the counterweight. So this is the over mounted machine. Next is the under mounted machine. What is under mounted machine? In under mounted machine, reverse bends are necessary in rope, and this materially reduce rope life. Second point is under mounted machines becomes absolute since it requires modification of the machine for each. Here see, this is the under mounted machines picture. In between drum and counterweight there is an elevator car and pulley. So this is the under mounted machine. Then the second type is the traction elevator. First is drum elevator and then the second is traction elevator. In case of traction elevators, the motion is transferred by means of traction, that is through the friction existing between the drive pulley and hoisting ropes. In this case, ropes are not wound on the drum. A continuous rope from car to the counterweight passes over a driving pulley. So this is the traction elevator and the traction machines. Here see the traction type machines. This is the picture of traction type machines. Ropes, brake traction. Here see the rope, brake traction, and then this is the rope traction, brake. Then car does not strike overhead. This is the car. Then counterweight, buffer compressed. So here see this diagram of traction type machine or the picture of traction type machine. Then elevator car. What is elevator car? Car is the part of the elevator which carries passengers or goods. The size of the car is mainly dependent on two factors. First is number of passengers to be carried, and second is limitations in the building design. So this is the elevator car. Then what is Bombay Lift Act? Here see the Bombay Lift Act. Manufacturing, erection and maintenance of lift shall be done as per provisions laid in Bombay Lift Rules 1958, framed at Bombay Lift Act in 1939. It is very important for MCQ's exam also. The chief engineer is appropriate authority for observance of provisions under Lift Act and rules and to issue following permission. First is permission to install lift. Second is license to operate the lift. So this is the Bombay Lift Act. Then after this we see the requirement of the elevator motors. First is high starting torque along with rapid acceleration and retardation. Second must be kept as low as possible. Third is smaller diameter of armatures. Fourth is speed should not exceed than 900 rpm. Fifth is use DC series motors. So these are the requirements of the elevator motors. Next is the safety precautions. So here see the safety precautions. First is don't open door when you are trapped in elevator. Push alarm button. Don't attempt to climb out of elevator truck. Here see these are very important. These safety precautions. Third is turn off elevator main switch before commencing rescue operation. Fourth is stay calm and don't panic. Fifth is communicate to outside world. So these are the safety precautions. Then the protective devices. First is safety brake with speed governor. Second is safety door system with sensor. Third is interlock on hoist way door. Fourth is switches. Fifth is door restraints. Fifth is emergency evacuation hatch, then buffers, and then last is the emergency alarm. So these are the protective devices in the elevator. Then the last one is the applications of elevator. So here see the applications. Elevator is also very useful in hospitals. Elevator are also used in mines, passenger elevator, express elevator, freight elevator, used to carry aircraft between the light deck and the hangar deck for repairing. So these are the applications of elevator. For the information about the electric drives, see this video that are available in this channel. So today's thank you. I hope you like this video.